Hello and welcome back. Today I'll be reviewing the Casio 12-digit DR-210TM adding machine, or printing calculator if you'd like to call it that. Reflection. Okay, this is the heavy duty model, which means the keys have the symbols printed on them are in a plastic so they don't come off. They're not like a sticker or something like that. Now this is the first adding machine I'll be showing you. The other one is over there. It's a Victor. Yeah. So, let's just look at some of these controls here. You could have on, print. I actually don't know what those two do. On just turns on display and the subtotal and stuff like that. This one controls your decimal points. F is just normal. You type, say, 3.57 and it's going to display 3.57. The cuts all the decimal points out. I don't know if that's what it's specifically meant to say, like cut out decimals. And I'll show you this when I start the machine. Let's start it up right now. Okay. So, if you put it in the cut position, now if you do 3.57 or 598 plus, that just rounds it to 3, 2.2256, we get 5. So, that's that. The up rounds it up to the next number if you put in a decimal, and 5/4 does it if it's more than 0.49, it will automatically round it up to the next number. You have your decimal point selection. I have mine on 0. Okay. Feed, which, wow, it's bright. Feeds the paper. I have paper here. We have, I don't know what data does. It does that. Cost, sell, and margin are two cool functions. So say we're going to sell paper for we're going to buy it for $1.50 a box. That's our cost. And we're going to sell it for $5.50 a box. Our profit margin is like 73%, and we will make $4 per unit sold. Clear all. That's markup and markdown. That's for when you're using these. And you could input cost and margin, and it'll tell you how much they sell, cost, or sell a margin, how much they cost, and that works like that. You have your association, negative and positive number. Clear all, clears it all. Subtotal, gives you a subtotal, you continue going. If you type in that and you make a mistake, you just hit this button. That will clear the last number entered. That's the clear that clears the whole number, where that's just a backspace. You have your percentage. So, say $5 times 6% would be 30 cents. Okay. You have your number pad with a 00. your memory, add memory, subtract, subtotal, total. I don't know how to set tax, and I mean, it might be that. Minus tax and plus tax. Times and divided by. Multiplication, division. Subtraction, addition, total, and I think that means gross total if you were doing things with taxes. Okay, so how this works, let's type in 9 plus 9 plus 9 is 27. Okay, so we have 27 is displayed in there, it's in there. Now, it doesn't work like a traditional calculator if you're not familiar with adding machines. In that, now most of the time you would press minus number on a calculator. Well, it doesn't work like that. If I want to subtract 6, I type in 6 minus. If I want to subtract 5 more, 5 minus. 6 plus 9 minus. See how that works? Because with the adding machine, this one, see how it says 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus. Plus is showing you what you're doing with the number. So you're doing 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus, you're adding them in. You're saying 6 minus, subtract the 6, or 5 minus, 6 plus, 9 minus, and then clear all, which is 0. So, that's pretty much it. It does division. 9 divided by 5.232. They hit equals. You get that? Now that's another thing. You would do on a calculator 3 plus 3 equals. But if you do that, that doesn't do anything because addition and subtraction equal, they total as you press the key. So the key is adding it. It's like your memory. So you have your number, and then you're saying, and add this, and add this. You're not equaling anything. You're just adding it and subtracting it. Multiplication and division. That's your equal sign. Okay, I hope you found this interesting or informational or anything like that. Please remember to like, give me some feedback, comment on this video, and subscribe, and most importantly, please enjoy.